So this video is all about how to troubleshoot any issues you may have with the Apple Watch Series 4. Let the download begin. Alright guys, so we're going to jump right into it by showing you the one thing that's probably going to fix any issue that you have with your Apple Watch Series 4, and that's doing a unpair and reset of the Apple Watch. This is your nuclear option if you need to just drop a bomb on it and fix any issue that you have. This will probably do it because it's going to reset the watch to its factory default setting like new. Remember though, nuclear option. Let's get right into it. So first, unpairing the watch. You want to make sure you keep the watch and the phone very close together, and then you want to go into your watch app on your cell phone. Now, once you're in the watch app, you're going to make sure you're in the My Watch tab. Now, once you're in the My Watch tab, if you look at the top of the screen, you're going to see your watch that is paired. You're going to go into this screen here, and you're going to hit this little information point that's right here. And it's going to bring you into a menu where you can unpair your Apple Watch. So now if you hit unpair, now it's going to tell you that you're going to need to repair the watch if you want to use it again with your phone. So you press unpair, and then you get an option to either keep your cellular plan or remove your cellular plan. So this applies to any Apple Watch with the GPS Plus cellular, either Series 3 or Series 4. You want to either choose to keep your plan if you're going to be repairing this same watch with the same phone and the same carrier that you currently have. If you're not, and you canceled your carrier's plan, or you're moving to a different carrier, you're just not repairing this watch to this specific phone, plan, or carrier, you're going to hit remove. And then once you hit the keep, it goes through and then it unpairs the watch itself. So when you hit either keep or remove your plan, it then asks for your Apple ID. The Apple ID password is the one that's for your phone. It's the same password you use to either purchase apps or enter into your iCloud account. Once that is entered in here, you would type that password in and you would hit unpair. And once you hit unpair, the watch would then be unpaired from your Apple phone completely. Now, once it's unpaired fully from your phone, you're actually all set. The watch itself is reset. It's going to delete all the information. It's going to delete all the data, and you're going to basically be able at that point to go through the repair process like you did the first time when you got the watch. So now let's say you don't have your phone with you and you still want to erase the Apple Watch itself. So in order to do that on the watch, you would go into your settings option, and in settings you would scroll down to general, and then all the way at the bottom you have a reset option, and then it gives you the ability to erase all content and settings from the watch. And this is just inevitably a full reset of the watch itself. It's going to erase everything that's currently on the watch. All data, everything is lost. And when you enter your passcode in, after hitting all erase, it gives you that all data, everything will be lost from the watch. And then you can just scroll to the bottom and hit erase all or erase and keep plan. And this is basically the same thing as what you were doing on the phone. If you erase all without keeping the plan, as if you're not going to be pairing your watch back up to the phone you had before. But if you erase all and keep the plan, it's like pairing the watch back up to that same phone with the same data plan. Now again, bear in mind it's your nuclear option. If nothing else is working when you're having troubleshooting issues, repairing and resetting the watch is definitely one of the steps you can take to fix just about anything. If you enjoyed the video, check out some of the other videos we've done about the Apple Watch on the channel. Make sure to share your thoughts, comments, and questions in the comment section below the video. Thank you so much for checking it out, and until next time, peace.